Okay, good afternoon, class. Tonight we are doing topic 2-4, and that is estimating sums and differences of whole numbers. Remember, a sum is an addition problem. Difference means subtraction. So when you go in and start your homework tonight, just keep that in mind that we are doing sums and differences. Okay, so if we estimate, that means an estimate is a guess. So it's an educated guess, not a crazy off-the-wall guess, but a guess using the information that we have available. So if we're going to estimate the sum of number 1 here, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to round these two numbers, these two add-ins, to the closest hundreds place. Okay, so if we look at this, 265 would round up to 300. Okay, so we mark the space, we look to the right, 4 or less will stay in rest, 5 or more moves up a floor. So that means that this 2, since the number to the right is a 6, we're going to go up a floor, and that moves up to a 3, which makes it 300. Okay, the next number, we mark the space, look to the right, 4 or less is out of sight. 4 or less will stay in rest. So since this is 4 or less, it will stay. The number we marked will stay at 4. So we're going to round this to 400. Okay, then we just add them up. 300 plus 400 is 700. Okay, just like we did in school, in class today. Just make sure you look at that sign. If it's plus, add it. If it's take away, subtract it. When we get down to bigger numbers, like number 5, we're going to continue. On number 5, we'll continue to round to the nearest hundreds place. On number 6, we can also round to the nearest hundreds place. Okay, so I'll do number 5 with you, and then I'll excuse you to do the rest on your own. We mark the space. We look to the right. It is 5 or more, so this number we marked is going to move up a floor. And instead of 1, it's going to move up to a 2. In those empty right-hand spaces, zeros keep the proper places. Now just don't forget to put that 2 in here in the thousands place, because we still need to show that. So number 5, this would round to 2,200. And then 388, we mark the space, look to the right. It is 5 or more, so we move up a floor. This will round up to 400. So then you just go and you add up those numbers you estimated. 2,200 plus 400 equals 2,600. Okay? Good luck on the rest of your homework tonight. You're going to do awesome.